Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make kachori za nyama in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. In a pan you're going to boil our minced meat. I've used 100-gram minced meat for this recipe. Then you're going to add in some garlic, give it a mix. Then you're going to add in one red onion. Then you're going to add in gram masala, but you can add spices of your choice. You're going to give that a mix. You'll then add some salt to taste. Then you're going to let the minced meat cook or until the water dries up. Then you're going to add in some fresh coriander leaves. I've used a bunch of it. Then you're going to give it a stir and let cook for about 2 minutes before you remove it from the heat. In a bowl, we're going to make some paste for the kachori. So I've used 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to add in some salt to taste and a pinch of food color, a yellow food color. Then you're going to add in some water to make a paste. Make sure you mix that well. I had already mashed the potatoes, so I'm going to fill in the mashed potatoes with the minced meat as shown in the video. Kindly do as shown in the video and make sure the minced meat is well coated with the mashed potatoes. We'll then repeat the process until all are done. Then we're going to put the potato balls in the flour mixture. You're going to cover it well with the paste before frying them. In a pan, you're going to heat some oil. Then you're going to add in your kachoris. So you're going to fry them until they are crispy on the outside. Make sure you don't fry them under low heat because they'll break and they'll be oily. So you'll fry them until they're crispy, then you'll remove them from the heat and ready to be served. My kachoris turned out so well and they were so delicious. Kindly let me know in the comment section if you try. And don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.